Hey everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to compare two popular platforms for creators, Convertkit and Substack. Let's get started. First off, Convertkit. Convertkit is primarily an email marketing platform designed for creators, bloggers, and small businesses. It offers a powerful tool for building email lists, creating landing pages, and automating your email campaigns. One of its standout features is its visual automation builder, allowing you to design complex email sequences easily. ConvertKit also provides great flexibility with tagging and segmenting your audience, helping you tailor your content to a different subscriber group. However, it does come with a steeper learning curve, especially for those new to email marketing. Now let's talk about Substack. It's a platform designed specifically for newsletter creators. It's incredibly easy to use, making it simple for anyone to start a newsletter and build a following. Substack allows you to publish content, set up paid subscriptions, and monetize your audience without any upfront costs. Its focus on writing means you can easily share your thoughts and connect with your subscribers. However, Substack is more limited in terms of advanced email marketing features and automation compared to ConvertKit. So which platform is actually better? If you're looking for a comprehensive email marketing solution with robust automation and segmentation options, ConvertKit is likely the better fit. But if you want a straightforward way to build a newsletter, monetize your writing with minimal effort, Substack is a fantastic choice.